Hello and welcome to week 14 of English Online 111, Shaw University Spring Semester 2018. All right, what are we doing? We are beginning paper 3, the research paper. This is the big paper. This is the one that's worth all the marbles. Not really all the marbles, but it's worth a big chunk of your grade. So we did paper 2, which is a research paper. We walked through it, and now we're beginning on paper 3. So what are you doing this week? Well, you're going to watch the video, which you're doing right now. And we're going to actually break down a little bit for this paper. For this week, we're just going to have you do the research. Okay. The goal is to do research on another topic. You need to find 3 sources on a controversial topic. Again, we've learned this concept and how to do this with paper 2. Now we're just putting it into practice. Now, there is readings in week 14 of Odigia. So let's go again to Odigia, which is found up here. There's our textbook. Click on here to go to Odigia, open the course, go to week 14. Okay, bias in writing. So there is this reading here about bias in writing. Okay, so it's not long, it's what, 3-4 paragraphs. Okay, but read this because there is a quiz. If you go back to our paper here, our Moodle page here. Oops, that's week 15. Okay. So this is the last readings we have in Odigia. So there is readings and there is a quiz on it down here on bias. So you want to make sure you just read that and then take the quiz. Yeah, you can take it up to 2 times because I want to make sure you understand the concepts. And then what you're going to be doing this week is you're going to submit the works cited page for your paper that you're going to be working on for paper 3. So this week doing research for paper 3. Again, what is paper 3? Well, again, the instructions are found under last week. This is the instructions right here. Again, you're writing another argument paper, 3 credible sources on, that you're looking for. You're looking for 2 to 5 pages in length and an MLA formatting. Yeah, that's it. So to get us going on this, you're going to do the works cited, do the research, upload the research, and then read the quiz, read the information on Odigia to take the quiz, and then you're in good shape for this week. So we're basically gathering the ingredients that you're going to use to bake a cake, the cake being the final draft of paper 3. So that's what's happening here in week 14. All right, go have fun doing research. Yay, research. That's all.